So now we'll study the skeletal system. If we do not have bones, it would be like a dough, atta. When a mother makes a dough with water, the atta, it is like a big lump. Now if we take some stick and binds over that, the stick gets some shape, and you may make the formation like a man standing over there with the stick inside. So similarly, our bone gives the body its form, its shape, its structure. It protects the delicate parts of the body. The puppet means some what we call putul in Bengali. We will be unable to stand or even walk without these bones. So bones gives the body its shape. I repeat you once again. It protects the delicate parts of the body. These are the different bones. The skull protects the brain. This is the joint we can see, ball and socket joint. Is the sternum, where the ribs are joined in the front of a body. Some ribs are hanging behind. This is the humerus bone of the hand. In the lower hand, this is the radius and ulna. This is the pelvis. This is the hinge joint. This is the femur, upper part of the leg, and this is the tibia and the fibula. The other bones also small and delicate. We know, we've just studied that we have 206 bones. So all are clearly segregated or can be easily marked. So those things are now not in a scope. So there is a question, are bones alive? Yes, bones are alive, because they are made up of millions of living cells which help them to grow and repair themselves. Means when you are a child, bone is small. As you grow, that same bone grows. If there is a fracture in the bone repairs itself. So it can grow, it can repair. So bones are made up of some hard material which make them strong. They are made up of millions of living cells which help them to grow and repair themselves. So bones require blood to keep them alive. This is very important. Do bones require blood? Yes. Blood supplies food and oxygen to the bones. So we know in the circulatory system we have studied, the blood supplies food and oxygen to different parts of the body. So it supplies food and oxygen to the bones also. Now the muscular systems. So muscles are attached to the bones in the body. They allow us, means suppose this is a bone. So muscles are attached to the bones of the body. So these are the muscles, and this is the bone. All the muscles together form the muscular system. All muscles in our body, they together form the muscular system. All muscles are made up of an elastic tissue. What are muscles made up of? It is made up of an elastic tissue. Means it is a tissue. What is a tissue? I told you, the different cells Lot of cells are there. Now these comprises a tissue. So if this tissue is elastic, it is like muscles, and these muscles are elastic in nature. You can change the shape of the muscle. Thousands of small fibers made up of each muscles. If you have taken goat meat, if you have a non-veg, you will be able to see that lots of fibers are there in the muscles. So these small fibers together comprises the muscle. And muscles, we have three different types in our body. The muscles are of three different types. They are the smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and the skeletal muscle. This cardiac muscle is found in the heart. Skeletal muscles fibers occurs in muscles which are attached to the skeleton. You can note it down. The skeletal muscles are found in the place where they are attached to the skeleton. So you just note down. It is you did not learn it by heart. Just listen. They are striated in appearance. The skeletal muscles are striated in appearance. So the most smooth muscles, they are not under your control. They are found in gut or other internal organs. You cannot control it by own. Whereas the skeletal muscles, so you want to fold your hand. So see, your muscle is contracting, and another, there is an antagonistic pair, means which does opposite function to the other muscles. Suppose when you are contracting your hand, when this muscle is contracting, this is the bicep muscles of your hand. When this is contracting, the other one is relaxing. So two opposite function of muscle. This is called antagonistic pair. This is beyond the scope of your syllabus. So just remember it. You did not study these things now. Next comes the digestive system. When you eat food such as bread, meat, vegetables, they are not in a form that the body can use and absorb as nourishment. Means when you eat this food, the foods are of they are complex in nature. The foods are complex in nature. So our body must get energy from this food. So how will the body absorb this food? So it needs to be broken down. It needs to be broken down into smaller parts. After breaking down, this food is transformed into simpler substance. This food is transformed into simpler substance. It's a very small particle, simpler substances, and it can be absorbed into the blood and carried to the cells throughout the body. So the body needs to reach these nutrients or the food particles to all parts, so that it can reach all parts of the body to get nourishment or the energy. So digestion is the process by which food and drink are broken down into small parts, so that the body can use this broken down matter to provide energy. These nutrients provide energy. And the organs that help in the process of digestion, they form the digestive system. So what are the organs that help? This is the oral cavity. Means you are taking the food inside. Here you have the teeth. You are cutting the food with the teeth. Then you are mastifying the food with the premolars and the molar teeth inside. This food, with the enzyme in the mouth, it becomes somewhat like a ball type, and with the help of the tongue it reaches the oesophagus. This is the oesophagus. The food comes down through the oesophagus and it reaches the stomach. This is the stomach. From the stomach, it then reaches to small intestine, and then via large intestine it comes to the rectum, and where the undigested food or the digested food which is not in use, or the roughage, it comes through the rectum. The liver, gallbladder is there. The gallbladder secretes the bile which helps in digestion. There is the pancreas also. Another organ is the liver. So they have some different function and also helps in digestion. The function of these parts or these organs are not within the scope of your syllabus right now in this class. So we'll study these things later on. Now tasting. We taste some food or anything with the tongue, the smelling through the nose, seeing through the eyes, hearing through the ears, thinking to the brain, dreaming, breathing, moving, running, sleeping, laughing, singing, feeling pain by something, or pleasure means amusement. The human body would be unable to do any of these things without the central nervous system. So, without the central nervous system, the human body will be unable to do all these things. Now, this brain has the messengers. They are known as the nerves. They are known as nerves, through which it sends instruction to the muscles. These are the nerves. See, these are all these nerves. Now, brain sends instruction through these nerves to all parts of the body. Nerves also carry messages from the body to the brain. So the brain and the nerve makes up the nervous system. What happens? Suppose if a mosquito bites over here, if a mosquito is biting over here, a mosquito is sitting over here and he is biting you. So the pain message, now you are feeling pain over there. This message is going to your brain. So this message is going to your brain. What does brain do? Brain sends an instruction to your hand So when a mosquito sits over here, this nerve carry the pain to the brain, feeling of the pain. The brain gives an instruction immediately, all this within a fraction of a second, to the hand that smash the mosquito. Your hand hits the mosquito. So brain and nerves work together, and this makes up a nervous system. So when we touch a hot or cold thing, and after touching that material, we feel that okay, it is hot, okay, it is cold. So this is because our skin is a sense organ. Similarly, other sense organ are nose. We can feel the smell, how pungent or smooth or beautiful or bad smell it is. Ears, we can view everything through our eyes, and the tongue, we feel the taste. We can hear through our ears. Now, excretory system means elimination of waste from our body. The different steps through our sweat also we can excrete, and our solid waste is excreted through our faces, through the rectum, and through the kidney in the form of urine, this liquid waste. So excretory system cleans the body by removing unwanted things. Our body doesn't want these things. So a picture is given in your book. This is the kidney. These are the two kidneys. The arteries are connected and the veins are also connected. The veins bring this impure liquid to the kidney. It gives out, and the artery brings the impure blood here where it is filtered. The vein brings, we know that impure blood flows through the vein. You must remind it that pure blood flows through the artery. Pure blood means that blood that is full of oxygen, and through vein, impure blood. means the blood that is full of carbon dioxide is written in this way, CO2. So from kidney through this pipe, it is called ureter, U-R-E-T-E-R, U-R-E-T-E-R. There are two pipes, it is called ureters. Through the ureter, it comes to the urinary bladder. It comes to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, there is a pipe known as urethra. This is urethra, from where ejected, through which urine is ejected out. And urine, after the formation of urine is stored in the urinary bladder. So write down the questions. First one, the human body is just like a dash or a dash. Number 2, human body consists of dash parts. Number 3, all parts of human body needs to function properly. True stroke false. T means true, F means false. Number 4, each part of human body has some specific function. T stroke F. Name some parts of human body. Number 6, average height of human body is dash to dash centimeter. Number 7, human body can stand erect. T stroke F. Number 8, do human's body has opposable thumbs? Number 9, state the number of muscles and bones in human body. Number 10, human body have dash internal organs. So number 11, state the main systems the human body is having. Number 12, name the organs of circulatory system. Number 13, what is the function of the heart? Number 14, name 5 internal organs of human body related to circulatory system. All cells in the body require dash. What will happen if there is no oxygen in human body? The air we breathe in contains dash and the air we breathe out contains dash. Number 18, what is the medium of circulation of oxygen in the human body? Number 19, name 3 vital parts of the respiratory system. So what would happen if we do not have bones? Number 21, what is the function of bone? 22, bones require dash to keep them alive. Number 23, are bones alive? Number 24, bones are made up of soft material. True stroke false. 25, blood supplies dash and dash to the bones. 26, why bones require blood? 27, muscles are attached to dash. 28, what is the function of muscles? Muscles are made up of dash tissues. Name the different types of muscles. What is cardiac muscle? Where is cardiac muscle found? Muscles are made up of dash. Which are dash? Choose an option from large or small. Name the organs associated with digestive system. What is digestion? Now dash and dash are known as nerves. 36, what is the function of nerves? 37, the dash and the dash make up our nervous system. 38, nerves carry dash. 39, name the system that cleans the body. 40, how does the excretory system cleanse the body? 41, practice all the drawing with leveling in this chapter. Now I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. If you have any problem, feel free to contact me. You can post your comment. I'll reply you. Give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Okay, thank you. See you next time.